Taciturn, inclined to silence, reserved in speech. The taciturn man rarely spoke, but his actions spoke volumes. Sycophant, a person who acts obsequiously towards someone important to gain an advantage. The sycophant constantly flattered the boss to get ahead. Susurrus, a soft murmuring or rustling sound like a whisper. The susurrus of leaves in the wind created a calming backdrop. Labyrinthine, complicated and confusing like a labyrinth. The city's labyrinthine streets were challenging to navigate. Nebulous, unclear, vague, or hazy. His explanation was nebulous, leaving everyone confused. Ineffable, beyond description, too great or extreme to be expressed in words. The beauty of the mountain scenery was ineffable. Harangue, a lengthy and aggressive speech. The politician delivered a harangue against corruption. Pellucid, transparently clear, easily understood. The pellucid water allowed us to see the colorful fish swimming. Symbiotic, in a mutually beneficial relationship. The plants and bees had a symbiotic connection in the garden. Resplendent, shining brilliantly, radiant. The bride looked resplendent in her elegant wedding gown. Halcyon, calm, peaceful, and happy. The vacation provided a halcyon escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Juxtapose, to place or deal with close together for contrasting effect. The artist juxtaposed light and dark shades to create a striking painting. Sanguine, optimistic, especially in difficult situations. Despite setbacks, he remained sanguine about the project's success. Disparate, essentially different in kind, not allowing comparison. The two theories were disparate and couldn't be easily reconciled. Quintessential, representing the most perfect or typical example of a quality or class. The historic castle was the quintessential image of medieval architecture. Incandescent, emitting light as a result of being heated. The incandescent bulb illuminated the room. Zephyr, a gentle, mild breeze. The zephyr rustled the leaves in the quiet forest. Supple, flexible and graceful in movement. The gymnast demonstrated supple agility in her routines. Munificent, more generous than is usual or necessary. Her munificent donation greatly benefited the local charity. Mellower, calmer, and more relaxed. As the evening progressed, the atmosphere became mellower. Exuberant, full of energy, excitement, and cheerfulness. The children were exuberant on the playground. Meticulous, showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. The artist was meticulous in every brush stroke. Delectable, extremely pleasing to the senses, especially taste. The chef prepared a delectable dish that delighted everyone. Languid, lacking energy or vitality, slow and relaxed. On lazy Sundays, they enjoy a languid afternoon nap. Rambunctious, energetic, noisy, and difficult to control. The rambunctious puppies played in the backyard. Supine, lying on the back, facing upward. He lay supine on the grass, enjoying the warmth of the sun. Cognizant, aware and mindful of something. She was cognizant of the potential challenges ahead. Truncate, to shorten by cutting off a part. He had to truncate the speech to fit within the time limit. Exemplary. Serving as a desirable model, outstanding. His exemplary leadership inspired the entire team. Melancholy. A feeling of deep sadness or sorrow. The rainy weather brought a sense of melancholy to her mood. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.